Hello everyone, welcome to online classes for social science class. Today's class is the revision number 2, okay. So it is for class 7th, part 3. In this revision number 2, so I will explaining today's topic, answer the following questions very briefly. For chapter number 6, history part, towns, traders and craftsmen. Some very briefly questions are there. Question number 1. What date the towns in Bengal produce? Answer. What did the towns in Bengal produce? Answer is the, see here, Dhaka. See here, you should write this answer means okay. So in Bengal produces that the towns in Bengal produces Dhaka was known for producing fine quality of muslin. Kashim Bazar in Bengal was a famous trading center for cotton and silk textiles. Okay. See here. Question number 1 is the, what did the towns in Bengal produce? The towns in Bengal produced, okay. Dhaka was known for producing fine quality of muslin. Kasim Bazar in Bengal was a famous trading center for cotton and silk textile. It is question number 1. So what did town in Bengal produce? The town in Bengal produced, Dhaka is famous for some good quality of muslin. So this muslin was famous for in world. And Kasim Bazar in Bengal, so that was also famous in trading center. So it is produced cotton and silk textiles. So it is the question number 1. Very briefly, chapter number 6, towns, traders and craftsmen. And now question number 2 is continuing here. Question number 2 is the, who discovered the ruins of Hampi? Answer. Who discovered ruins of Hampi? Colonel Colin Mackenzie. Mackenzie actually. Mackenzie. Who discovered the ruins of Hampi? Colonial Colin Mackenzie. Okay. So this is the question number 2. And question number 3 is the what were guilds? What were guilds? See here. Guilds are shrenis were merchants. They were the merchant organizations which regulated trade activity. Okay. See here, question number 3 is the what were guilds? Guilds or shrenis were merchants. Guilds or shrenis were merchant organizations which regulated trade activity. Okay. And next question is the question number 4. Where did the British establish their first factory in southern coast? The answer is there, Masulipatanam. Okay. See you, student. So once again I am repeating these questions. Question number 2. Who discovered the ruins of Hampi? Colin, actually here is this, Colin Mackenzie. What were guilds? Guilds or shrenis were merchant organizations, okay, which regulated trade activity. Question number 4. Where did the British establish their first factory in southern coast? Answer is Masulipatanam. Okay. And next is the, so 5th question. Question number 5. Why did Tanjore flourish into a developing town? See her answer. Tanjore developed into a flourishing town mainly due to a number of temples built here. So thus it developed as a religious town. Okay, so this is question number 5. Why did Tanjore flourish into a developing town? Tanjore developed into a flourishing town mainly due to a number of temples built here. Thus, it is developed as a religious town. Okay, student, very briefly, questions are completed here. Chapter number 6, Towns, Traders and Craftsmen. So, you prepare it for PT3 exam. Okay, so next, again very briefly question I am continuing in next class. Thank you.